Google Meet camera not working in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Google Meet over here. So as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Google Meet application on our device. So I'm going to go back and go to the app list over here and then make a long press on Google Meet application and then tap on App Info. As I tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on Clear Data and then Clear Cache and tap on OK. Next, go to the app permissions and then make sure that you have toggled on the option for camera. As you can see, it has not been given that access. So tap on camera and allow this option. Then tap on all these options so that you do not have any hindrances while using the application on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.